Hello guys, today we will discuss two powerful positioning properties, fixed and sticky. Without wasting time, let's begin today's informational tutorial. You have experienced on many websites when you start scrolling page, some elements get fixed on the screen while other elements are scrolling. Yes, we can do it with the help of CSS. There are two ways to do this, position fixed and position sticky. Both can make elements stay visible during scrolling, but they serve different purposes and behave differently. Today we will explain each property, their differences, use cases, and provide some practical examples. CSS position property define how an element is positioned on the page. This comes with different values, which are static, relative, absolute, fixed, and sticky. But we will touch only fixed and sticky properties. In another video, we will discuss the other values of the position. If an element position is fixed, the element is removed from the normal flow of the page and positioned relative to the browser's viewport. The element remains in the same spot, even when the page is scrolled. Look at some practical examples. Suppose we want to place a chat button at the bottom right of the page. It should stay in the same place all the time. Use position property with fixed value. Now we have to set dimensions of chat button element. As we know, there are 4 dimensions of position: left, right, top, and bottom. But as a best designer, you should use only one, left or right, and top or bottom. But here, we need right and bottom properties. You can put value according to your design. Let's check in the browser what happens. Oh, nice, but I think we need some more improvements. Our chat button is always on the top. We should add the z-index property to keep it on the top. You can add value according to your layout structure. Think for a moment, what happens if the value is negative? It gets hidden behind other elements. Reset the value to the previous value. Let's look at another example of how lightbox or pop-up image ads are displayed. Pop-up ads are displayed in the middle of the screen. For this, we need to give values for the left and top properties. These lines tell the browser, move the pop-up ads up and left by half its own size. So if your pop-up ad is 100px wide, it moves left 50px. If it's 100px tall, it moves up 50px. But that means it's now off screen, or at least not centered yet. This says, pull the pop-up image right and down by half its own size. So it undoes what left and top did, but using a different method called transform, which doesn't mess with how the browser measures things. It helps us center the pop-up image perfectly. Now we use z-index property to place the pop-up at the top level. Yes, the pop-up image is in the middle of the screen. Now we create alert messages. Here are HTML structure messages. Let's see how top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right messages are displayed. First, we write style for top left alert message. Here we use top and left property. Other properties are same. Check in the browser what happens. Next, write style of top right alert message. Here we use top and right properties. Check in the browser what happens. Now we write style for third alert message. That is bottom left. Here we use bottom and left properties. Check in the browser what happens. Let's write style for fourth alert message. That is bottom right. Here we use bottom and right properties. Check in the browser what happens. That's great. All the alert messages are placed properly in their positions. When you use position, sticky on an element, like a button or a box, it acts kind of normal, like moving with the page, until you scroll to a certain point, like a number of pixels from the top, that it sticks in place on the screen, like it's glued there, even when you keep scrolling. Let's see an example of position sticky. In this example, we will make the header's position sticky. In previous examples, we have used fixed value. Now here we will use sticky value. As previous, use top and left properties. Top and left properties will work at that time, when the scroll reaches a certain point. You can use other properties according to your design. The header is in its place, but you might not notice it here. We try to understand this with another example. In this example, We will fix this portion when the scroll reaches here. Just as we wrote the style in the previous example, we will write the same style here as well. Yes, I hope you understand it well here. If you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to it so that you will get notified of our upcoming videos. Goodbye, happy coding.